Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a love show. Chapter 49, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Tao Tao and Suman. Looking at Tao Tao, you are touching. She looks really uncomfortable. Definitely, she really can move herself. It's been stuck up on the clothes and she really can pull it out. Don't think that this time I will be efficiently being grasped by you. I don't want your help. Well, I go to sleep first, Suman said to her. But Tao Tao right now, she was calling her, Suman, do I sleep inside or outside? Well, definitely, Suman. She is really teasing her. But now, Tao Tao said to her, Miss Manman, please. So now, it's like she's begging for attention and also to help her. It seems that the strategy of Suman, it was really getting through. My hands are sore. I can't breathe. Now, it really makes sense. I can help you, but how can you thank me? Well, Suman, she was really tricky. Now, she moved closer to Tao Tao. You said okay. I really can hold on, Tao Tao said to Suman. Of course, Suman. She moved closer to her, and now, trying to help her. All right, a gentleman's words, a horse is hard to chase. Why suddenly Suman, she seems to be blushing. Now, she was gently unbuttoning. Looking at Tao Tao, she seems to be really uncomfortable that her hands is getting sore that she's been stuck up. Finally, look at her. She seems to be exhausted. Said to Suman, she was safe. Of course, Suman, she was only teasing her, but for Tao Tao, she looks really exhausted. Suman put down her clothes. Looking at Suman, what is she going to do now? Is she going to ask her for repayment for helping her today? Well, definitely, looking at her, she was looking at Tao Tao and said to her, don't you think it's looked like a hijab just now? Well, definitely, she only want to tease her, but for Tao Tao right now, lifting her skull is almost the same. You are not a superhuman, Tao Tao said to her. Now, looking at her, she seems to be not realizing that she don't have any. Oops, it was so cute, right? Looking at herself, of course, she was looking at Suman, but Suman, right now, she can't keep herself but just to stare on her. Now, Suman said to her, it really fits and it is really beautiful. She was still looking at her. She looks really happy, right? Moreover, Tao Tao suddenly realized when she was looking on herself, she can see her. Now, she was really flashing. Although she noted herself that Suman is only teasing her, but of course, she was still shy on her. She was rushing to get clothes. Suman, you're silly. After taking advantage of others. Now, looking at Tao Tao, she was really blushing. Her face is almost red. What a see! I take advantage of the danger, so what are you? Tao Tao said to her. Of course, right now, she really want to hide herself. For Suman, it seems to be, she was really getting happy, looking at Tao Tao, teasing Tao Tao. She was looking at her seriously, although she seems to be happy, but now she moved closer to Tao Tao. I just begged for mercy and I was still swearing the underwear I picked up for you. So Suman, she really liked to tease Tao Tao. She moved closer to her. Tao Tao, why are you so turning your face and not recognizing people faster than before? So now, is she really getting impatient that she really wants Tao Tao to remember her? Who cares about the underwear you bought? I wouldn't wear it. Sister, yes, send it. Oh, Tao Tao, right now. She really threw Acting to Suman. Well, she was really funny, right? Turned my face and didn't recognize people. Anyway, it's just the two of us and no one else hears. Without a camera, I won't admit it. What can you do to me? Tao, she was really having conversations on hers. Of course, she really won't back down. Suman, right now, she was holding a piece of clothes, and she also had with her body temperature. Suman said to her, "Well, you're amazing," but Suman suddenly realized that there's a person on the window. Maybe he was looking at them. This is not good, right? Suman and Tao Tao, after a long conversation, finally, the two of them are sleeping together. Now, the two of them are sleeping peaceful. Of course, it was getting late at night, and again, someone was a window again. After a while, it closed the curtain. This is really creepy. Well, this is really curious. Who is the person who wants to look at them? What's the matter? It's still lively during the day and it's so scary at night. Wouldn't there be an eternity hidden? I lean in a little bit. It should be fine. Yes. Finally, someone was holding hers. A ghost? Suman, something touched me. It seems that Tao Tao, she was really scared at night. And also, for her, it really looks creepy. But Suman, she moved closer to her. And finally Tao Tao hugs her. Suman, it's me. Well, Tao Tao, she was really scared that she is hugging her tightly. Tao Tao, in the middle of the night, I don't sleep sneakily. Of course, she was looking teary. She really wanted to cry because she was really scared. Now, Suman said to her, "Do you want to do something bad?" Of course, Tao Tao, she really didn't mean what she said. She moved closer to her, and the two of them were looking at each other. Definitely, this night, it was really scary moment on hers. It was not funny. Alright, then, I'm going to sleep. But suddenly, Tao Tao grabbed her. She was still scared even though Suman was on her side. So, it's a little bit late, and I can't sleep. And there seems to be some shadows at the windows just now. I am a little scared. Can I get closer to you? Oh, I sense something is wrong. Right now, Tao Tao, next period of time, I must be obedient. I will do whatever you want me to do. Now, looking at Tao Tao, she seems to be like a puppy. Let's see on what will Suman's gonna do. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!